budget for 1 month of food and like toiletries. Included na yan lahat, including my butane. Yan. Is around 2,000 baht. Sometimes I go over it, lalo kapag madami akong gustong mga bilhin na kung ano-ano. But I try to stick to the budget. If you're someone naman na matipid, na puro like kanin lang, tapos ulam, and then 2,000 baht is more than enough for a person. Pero kasi ako, ang dami kong kaik-ikan sa buhay ko, may pa-cereal pa ako, ano? So guys, yun lahat ng napamili ko, at isa-isahin na natin sila. Hey guys, it's Layla here and I'm back again with another video. For today's content, we are going to do a grocery haul. Papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano ang mga bilihin dito sa Thailand. I actually just got home from Tesco. I was at work a while ago and I went straight to the supermarket because I ran out of food already and I had to do my monthly grocery. So if you're interested about the things that I got from the supermarket, then please keep watching. So guys, yun lahat ng napamili ko at isa-isahin na natin sila. Ayan guys, simulan na natin yung haul natin. I just decided na dito na lang ako sa lapag kasi I have more space kasi yung countertop ko is very small and I don't have like space to put everything that I bought in the supermarket. So let's start off with this bag right here. It's actually very random na. Like, magulo siya. Hindi siya yung like toiletries, and then like produce, hindi ganun kasi I was the one who packed it and nagmamadali ako kanina kasi may kasunod ako. Now, the first item in this bag is bread. This is a whole wheat bread and it actually cost 22 baht. Now, I chose whole wheat bread because it's a whole lot healthier compared to the white bread that we have. The next one is this one. Favorite ko to, guys. This is actually a mochi, but they call it daifuku. It is basically like a mochi, tapos meron siyang red bean paste sa loob. And I like this one, and very seasonal lang talaga siya. Like, every time I go to Tesco, hindi laging merong ganito. Kaya, pag nakakita ko ng ganito, kinukuha ko siya agad. And super sarap niya. If you're in Thailand, I recommend this one. It's only 42 baht. Yan. I actually got the receipt pala. Okay, so here is my receipt. Although it's in Thai, medyo memorize ko naman yung presyo ng mga items. Anyway, the next one, this is toiletry. Nakahalo siya. This one, of course, you need this one and it costs 33 baht. 22 pieces na siya. And it can last me sa isang month ng aking period. The next one is cabbage because I'm going to cook lumpiang sariwa or lumpiang gulay, sorry. And this one is 50 baht, but a kilo of this one costs 39 baht. Yan. And then the next one is this one. This is banana, but it's the small one. Para siyang saba actually, but it's the typical banana you have. And I believe this is 24 baht. The next one is this one. This is super yum. So ito lang yung snacks na binili ko. So I got 3 packs of this one because it's buy 2 get 1 free and it cost 22 baht each. So I paid 44 for 2 packs, and then this one is free. So basically it's a rice cracker. Parang ano siya, like biscuit siya, like cracker siya, but it's made out of rice. So yun, masarap siya. So I got the cheese flavor. Favorite to ng mga bata. Actually, kanina may nasulubong akong bata and then sabi niya, Mami, bakit meron siyang snack na gano'n? Di ba pang bata yun? So ayan, I got this one. Actually, I have this one in the Philippines. It's called One or One. Color blue yung packaging niya sa Philippines. So very similar yung taste nila. Kaya when I tried this one, I realized na like same sila dun sa Philippines. Kaya yan, naging favorite ko na siya instantly. The next one is this one. This is a lumpia wrapper. Spring roll wrapper or the lumpia wrapper. This is 45 baht for 40 pieces. It's kind of expensive to compare to what we have in the Philippines, like 10 pesos. Tapos yung manipis siya, but this one is a bit thicker, so it's better. So that is it for the first bag, and then let's proceed to this one. It's kind of heavy. Okay, so this one has this one. Ito din, this is snack is also similar to what we have in the Philippines, the butter biscuit, and it costs 12 baht lang. So that is another snack. And then I have this one. This is a juice. It's from the brand Tipco. It's a green juice. It would help you move because it's high in fiber, and this costs 59 baht for a liter. The next one is I got limes. I got limes for every day, like every morning, iinumin siya. And it's 4 baht each. I got 5 pieces, so 20 baht. The next one, ito, may kwento yung asparagus natin at yung ibang gulay natin. Kasi kanina, I can't read Thai. So, akala ko dun sa tag nila kanina, 18 baht per 1 kilo. Yun pala, girl. 18 baht ang 100 gram and 185 baht ang isang kilo ng asparagus. So, this one is 200 grams and I paid 37.25 for this much. Yan. So I'm just going to saute this in butter and it's good. And then the next one is this one. I got some avocado, and expensive din ang avocado nila dito, no. So this one is for 42 baht, 2 pieces siya. Although hindi pa siya ripe, ibababad ko lang siya sa bigas para mas mabilis siyang ma-ripen. And that is for my salad. And then the next one is this one. This is a green beans. This cost 21 din. Same story. I thought it's only 13 baht per kilo, pero 13 baht per 100 grams pala siya. And then I got 160 grams and it cost 21 baht. Para yan sa lumpiang gulay natin. Next one is this one. Onion. I just got a bag of onion and it costs 22 baht. The next one is chicken. This is the only protein I bought. This is chicken breast because I'm trying to avoid eating the red meat na kasi nga it's fattier. Although it's tastier, but it's fattier. So, yan. Chicken breast. So, I got 1.4. No. Like a little bit over a kilo. And 1 kilo cost 63 baht. And I paid 65 baht for this one. And then the next one is this one. Lately, I've been loving some palok or tamarind. So, yan, bumili na ako ng isang jar. And it costs 42 baht. Yan. Sarap. Sana masarap. Sarap siya. Pero, I tried the other brands. Masarap sila. But I hope this one is masarap too. And then I also got a tin of tomatoes. Because I'm planning to cook lasagna. Because I have like lasagna noodles there. And gusto ko siyang iluto na. And this costs 42 baht for like 600 grams of tomatoes in can. Ayan. And then I also got ground black pepper. This one is 11 baht lang. Okay, so that is it for our second one. And then let's proceed to this one. Okay, so the big item in here is the cereal right here. So I got the cornflakes. This is 500 grams already. Yeah, and it cost 109 baht only for my breakfast. And then the next one, ito din, si Charo na kasing mahal ng asparagus. It costs 185 per kilo. I got 150 grams. I paid 28.75. Ito, sasaute ko lang din siya with oyster sauce and it's good na. And maybe ihalo ko din siya sa lumpiang gulay natin. And then the next item right here is this one. I got milk. This is a non-fat milk, 0%. It's from the brand Meiji and it cost 45.50 baht. For my cereal as well. And then I also got carrots. Carrots lang ata yung murang gulay na nakuha natin. 24 baht per kilo. I got 200 grams and it cost $6, sorry. 5 baht. $6 ka, girl. 5 baht. And then I also got, I'm so excited to try this one. This is a brownie mix because I've been craving for brownies for the longest time because they have brownies in here, but it's not the fudgy brownies. So I hope that this is the fudgy brownie because like ang tagal ko na nang hindi nakatikim ng fudgy brownie, kaya sabi ko ako na lang ang magluluto instead. So this one is on sale. I got it for 62 baht only. So I hope this will be good for like tatlong luto and we'll cook it one day. Okay? And then the last two items here are this one. So this is what they call the beauty drink. I actually just saw this one on an ad on YouTube and na-intriga ako sa kanya. Kaya ayan guys, binili ko siya. And sabi it's a slim, pang papayat daw siya kasi it has L-carnitine. And tignan natin kung papayat ba ang lola nyo. This one is 20 baht each, but it's on sale. I paid 32 for this too. Hopefully masarap din siya. Because you know, sometimes yung mga pangpapayat na yun ay hindi masarap talaga. Also, this one, sana masarap tong green drink to. Usually, I buy the mango juice, but sabi ko, like, let's go for the healthier options. They have their tomato juice and carrot juice, pero sabi ko, like, dito muna tayo sa may fruits kasi hindi ko siya kayang panindigan. And then the last bag is this one, which is also heavy. Okay, so I got margarine. Yan, para lang sa bread if gusto ko mag-toast. And then the next one is this one. I'm excited to try. This will be my first time trying. This is called passion fruit, diba? It's called passion fruit. And I paid 79 baht for this whole bag. And I believe it's a kilo. Yan. And I don't know the taste of passion fruit. I hope I'd like it. Add natin siya sa cereal natin if magko-complement sila. Next one, I got some wipes. Panglinis lang. Especially, I come to work now almost like twice a week. Yeah, so I come to school twice a week na and I need this one. I paid 29 baht for this one. And then this one, this is my Deo. It's a natural deodorant spray. It's by the brand Focal. And guys, if kayo yung like pawisin yung kilikili nyo and you're here in Thailand, this is a must try kasi very natural yung mga what do you call this one? Ingredients niya. Yeah. And so far, hindi siya nakakaitim katulad ng ibang Deo spray that we have out there. So that is it. And then I also have, sorry if you work in a grocery store and you know how to pack it properly. Nagmamadali talaga ako. But like usually, if hindi ako nararattle or wala akong kasunod, I would pack it like yung meat, and then yung mga vegetable, and then yung snacks talaga, and then yung toiletries na or yung mga sabon. Because like, what do you call this one? It's easier for me to organize it as well kapag nasa bahay na ako. But since nagmamadali nga ako and I really wanted to go home na kasi I was so tired a while ago. Kaya ayan, naghalo-halo na siya. Kasama ng wipes yung, the chocolate. So I got the Lindt Swiss Classic Dark Chocolate with Hazelnut. So this one is 115 baht. Yan. And then the next one is I got some sausage. So this one is buy one get one free, and this one is by the brand Betagro. And this is the only hot dog that I eat because it tastes good compared to the other hot dogs that they have right here. And this one is 65 baht for the pack of 2, and we have 10 pieces. And then the next one, the last item in this grocery haul is this one. I bought fabric softener or fabric conditioner because I run out already. This one is 49 baht for four what do you call this one? Packets. And each packet is 600 ml. So ayan, very mura na siya kasi it's on sale. Like typically it's 13 baht each, but I got it for 49 for 4 pieces. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is everything that I got here in Thailand, and usually all of this would last me like 2 weeks or more, like 2 to 3 weeks already, depende kung gaano ko katakaw at saka kung pa-take away ka ng pa-take away, because those are like, there are some days wherein tinatamad ako magluto, tas take away na lang. Of course, hindi maluluto tong mga pagkain na ito. Yan, so as you can see, like most of the things that I got or para na sa aking pagda-diet kasi gusto ko na talagang magpapayat, guys. Ang laki na naman ng tinaba ko. Well, anyway, enough ng hanash. Magkano ang aking binayaran? So, I paid, the total price of everything is 1,258, but I got a coupon which is minus 60 baht because I have the club card from Tesco, and then another coupon of 95 baht. So in total, I only paid 1,163 baht. So meron akong na-discount na how much? 155 baht, and not bad. And then I also have points. So this is my receipt right here. Yan. So yan, guys. Usually may budget for 1 month. of food and like toiletries. Included na yan lahat, including my butane. Yan. Is around 2,000 baht. Sometimes I go over it, lalo kapag madami akong gusto mga bilhin na kung ano-ano. But I try to stick to the budget. If you're someone naman na matipid, na puro like kanin lang, tapos ulam, and then 2,000 baht is more than enough for a person. Pero kasi ako, ang dami kong kaik-ikan sa buhay ko, may pa-cereal pa ako, Kaya ayan, umaabot siya ng minsan 2,500. Pero yeah, so like for 2,000 baht, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng 1 month worth of food here in Thailand. Yung mga produce naman or yung mga bilihin is not so expensive. Some are very similar lang naman sa Pilipinas at meron yung mga mura talaga dito. Let's say for example this one. This one is a bag of passion fruit. You cannot buy like a bag of passion fruit for 100 pesos in the Philippines. And this one is only like 72 baht in here, which is around 100 pesos in the Philippines. So yeah, may mga fruits sila na mura dito. May mga bilihin talaga sila. Like same lang din naman sa Pilipinas. So ayan, I hope you enjoyed watching my haul, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on our next one. Keep safe and goodbye.